Whoa. It's finally here. Blue light CBD. Like half a kilo of legal bud. Got stopped by the... What's it called? Swedish Customs. Svenska tullen. And we're gonna open it. Look how invested the sunshine was in the scissor and the cutting it open. She was looking like a madman.
It's like Christmas, what do you mean? Maybe you're not invested enough in having fun while you open things.
First little pack.
Oh my god! Special sauce! We got that special sauce!
I'm gonna put on the flash for a second. Ooh-wee.
It's dark green special sauce.
Bless up.
Yeah.
This is just us unpackaging all the packages from Blue Light CBD. And we got checked by the customs. They told them they checked this one. Which one was it? The one with extra plastic. The customs checked. And they were like, it's Gucci. It's legal. Legal ganja. Legal ganja.
I wonder how they check.
Special sauce. Black Widow. Around half a kilo.
Woo.
Go to Blue Light CBD. Link will be in the description. This is just a short unpackaging of what this is so we finally can just smoke nicotine free all the time. Completely. Go to the herb, heal our lungs. Herbs so good for everything. Why? Why these people want to do so much good? Who call themselves governments and this and that? Why them say we must not use the herb? But here they said, you may use the herb. From the customs. Very good. Love you all. I'm gonna make some more videos with this, with a discount code and everything. Maybe even this video will have a discount code in the description. But I'm gonna make one where I try them out and roll some nice spliffs and stuff. But for now, I love you all. Stay blessed. This was just a little unpackaging thing. And on the way to get this, I have a little video of some elks running over the road. So I might put this somewhere in the middle of this video too. Because it was on the way to pick up this. Hope you're all having a wonderful existence. God bless.
En till!
Älgar som man går över vägen. 3 stycken. There's 2 here.
One more. The mother wait for them. Ja, där inne är de ju säkra i alla fall.